In recent years, the world has witnessed the rise of electric vehicles, EVs, from sedans to SUVs, and now the electric truck is making its mark. By 2025, electric trucks will be revolutionizing the hauling industry, offering cleaner, greener, and more efficient solutions for transporting goods. With advancements in battery technology, powerful electric motors, and the drive for sustainability, these trucks will be better suited for both commercial and personal use. In this video, we will explore how electric trucks are changing the future of hauling, their benefits, the top models of 2025, and how they fit into the larger movement toward eco-friendly transportation. An electric truck is powered entirely or primarily by electricity stored in a battery pack, unlike traditional trucks that run on gasoline or diesel. These trucks use electric motors instead of internal combustion engines to drive the wheels. The key differences between electric trucks and conventional trucks include zero emissions. Electric trucks produce no tailpipe emissions, significantly reducing their environmental impact compared to diesel-powered trucks. Quiet operation. Without the noise of a traditional engine, electric trucks are much quieter, improving quality of life in urban and residential areas. Lower operating costs. With fewer moving parts, electric trucks require less maintenance and are cheaper to fuel. Electric trucks offer a greener, more sustainable alternative to traditional trucks, changing the way we think about hauling goods in the future. When it comes to performance, electric trucks are proving to be a formidable competitor to their gasoline and diesel counterparts. These trucks are equipped with powerful electric motors. Electric motors provide instant torque, which means electric trucks can accelerate quickly and handle heavy loads with ease. Longer range. Modern electric trucks can achieve ranges of 500 miles on a single charge, depending on the battery and driving conditions. Improved towing capacity. With dual or triple motors, electric trucks are now capable of towing 30,000 pounds, making them suitable for heavy-duty hauling tasks. Electric trucks are not only efficient, but they are also capable of performing tasks that were once thought impossible for EVs, making them highly practical for the hauling industry. As the demand for electric trucks grows, several automakers are leading the way with cutting-edge models in 2025. Let's take a look at some of the top contenders. Tesla Cybertruck power, up to 800 horsepower with tri-motor all-wheel drive. Towing capacity, 14,000 pounds. Range, 500+ miles on a full charge. Features, autonomous driving, high-tech interior, and bulletproof exoskeleton. Ford F-150 Lightning power, 563 horsepower with dual-motor all-wheel drive. Towing capacity, 10,000 pounds. Range, 300 miles. Features, advanced tech, onboard power outlets, and sustainable manufacturing. Rivian R1T power, 835 horsepower with quad-motor all-wheel drive. Towing capacity, 11,000 pounds. Range, 314 miles. Features, off-road capabilities, smart bed storage, and sustainable materials. These electric trucks aren't just about sustainability. They offer top-tier performance, towing power, and innovative features that are transforming the future of hauling. One of the biggest driving forces behind the rise of electric trucks is the environmental impact. Zero emissions. Unlike their diesel counterparts, electric trucks produce no tailpipe emissions, which helps improve air quality, especially in urban areas. Reduced carbon footprint. Over their lifetime, electric trucks can contribute to reducing greenhouse gas emissions, especially when paired with renewable energy sources for charging. Energy efficiency. Electric vehicles are more energy efficient than gas-powered trucks, converting more of the energy from the battery into actual movement. Electric trucks represent a significant shift towards sustainable transportation, reducing the overall carbon footprint of the hauling industry. Electric trucks are already making waves in commercial hauling. As companies strive to reduce their carbon footprints, increase efficiency, and cut costs, electric trucks offer numerous advantages in the commercial sector. Reduced operational costs. Electric trucks have lower fuel and maintenance costs, which can lead to significant savings over time, especially for long-haul logistics companies. Improved sustainability. As more businesses adopt electric trucks, the industry will see a collective reduction in emissions and pollution, helping businesses meet sustainability goals. Fewer regulations and penalties. In many areas, businesses operating diesel trucks face strict emission regulations and fines. By switching to electric trucks, they can avoid penalties and be part of the green revolution. In the commercial sector, electric trucks are a win-win, offering cost savings, sustainability, and the ability to meet regulatory requirements. Electric trucks aren't just for commercial hauling, they're also gaining traction in the off-road and adventure world. As electric trucks offer more power, better range, and enhanced torque, they're becoming the go-to choice for off-roading enthusiasts. Off-roading performance. Many electric trucks, like the Rivian R1T, come with quad-motor setups that provide incredible control and power, ideal for tackling rough terrains. Environmentally friendly exploration. Electric trucks provide an opportunity to explore the great outdoors while leaving a minimal environmental footprint. They're perfect for campers, overlanders, and anyone looking to get off the beaten path in a more sustainable way. With their off-road capabilities and low environmental impact, electric trucks are redefining the way we explore nature. Despite their promise, electric trucks still face several challenges. Limited charging infrastructure. Although charging stations for electric cars are growing in number, the infrastructure for electric trucks, especially for long-haul routes, is still limited. Higher initial costs. While electric trucks may offer long-term savings, their initial purchase price is often higher compared to diesel trucks, which can make it challenging for some businesses to make the switch. Battery capacity and weight. While batteries are improving, they still take up a lot of space and can add weight to the vehicle, which can reduce their towing capacity and payload capacity. Despite these challenges, the electric truck market is evolving rapidly, and by 2025, solutions to these obstacles will likely be in place. By 2025, electric trucks are expected to be a dominant force in the hauling industry. Some advancements to look forward to include increased battery efficiency. As battery technology continues to evolve, electric trucks will achieve longer ranges, enabling more efficient long-haul transportation. Better charging solutions. The growth of fast charging stations and ultra-fast charging technology will ensure electric trucks can stay on the road longer and be more practical for long-distance driving. Lower prices. As more manufacturers enter the market and production scales up, the cost of electric trucks will likely decrease, making them more accessible to businesses of all sizes. The future is electric, and by 2025, electric trucks will be an integral part of the hauling industry, helping companies go green while reducing costs. In conclusion, electric trucks represent the future of hauling, offering impressive performance, lower emissions, and reduced operating costs. Title: Electric cars are no longer a distant dream. They are fast becoming an option for environmentally conscious drivers. By 2025, electric cars will be in the automotive industry, offering an eco-friendly alternative to traditional gas-powered vehicles. With advancements in and electric cars are shaping the future of transportation. In this video, we'll explore the of electric cars, their, and why they will be a key component in reducing globally. An is powered entirely by stored-in batteries that drive. Unlike traditional, electric cars have no tailpipe emissions, which means they don't release harmful pollutants like into the atmosphere. Key features of electric cars include: no exhaust fumes or air pollutants are produced. Electric cars are paving the way for a future where is, and more. Charging an electric car is much cheaper than refueling with gasoline, saving drivers money on fuel. By using electricity instead of gasoline, electric cars help reduce, contributing to a cleaner environment. Electric cars play a vital role by reducing carbon emissions. The transportation sector is one of the largest contributors to globally, and electric cars help tackle this issue as more electric cars hit the roads and can be used to charge them, further reducing their environmental impact. In 2025, electric vehicles will be central to and creating advances in will lead to electric cars that can travel longer distances on a single charge, making them more suitable for long trips. Public and private charging stations will increase, making it easier to find a charging point and reducing range anxiety for drivers. Despite their many advantages, electric cars face some challenges that need to be addressed. Although the range of electric cars is improving, drivers still worry about running out of charge on long journeys. While challenges remain, the industry is actively working to resolve these issues, ensuring that electric cars become more convenient for all drivers. Batteries will last longer, charge faster, and be more efficient, allowing electric cars to travel greater distances. As more countries push for, governments will provide incentives for individuals and businesses to switch to electric vehicles. Electric cars will also impact our daily lives in several ways. Electric cars will reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, contributing to electric cars will make our streets, our air, and our energy usage Many countries offer financial incentives such as tax rebates and subsidies to encourage consumers to buy electric vehicles. Governments are setting stricter for automakers, pushing them to produce more electric and hybrid vehicles. In conclusion, electric cars are at the forefront of. As battery technology improves, prices drop, and infrastructure grows, electric cars will become a choice for consumers worldwide. By 2025, we can expect vehicles on the road helping us tackle climate change and make transportation more sustainable for future generations. Would you like to explore more about or another sustainable technology? By 2025, we